phishing attacks are the #1 route attackers use to try and infiltrate company systems through employees. These attacks not only increase in frequency year on year, but are also getting more targeted and sophisticated as attackers look to build profiles on both users and companies to make the phish as realistic as possible. Using our simulated phishing tool, we can replicate these attacks in a safe environment and identify your employees who need more help before an incident occurs. So within the system, we will report on who opens the email, clicks on the link within, and then when they go to the login page, subsequently give away their password. And there's a huge library of phishing campaigns that we have already available to send to your staff members. So we can either search by territory or just search by service, such as Microsoft. So we have a very realistic looking Microsoft page here that we can take people to and have an associated templated email to try and get the user to click on it and see if they would then give away their password. We can set up regular scheduling as well to make sure that staff members are being tested on an automated schedule. So maybe once a quarter, every staff member will receive a phishing campaign. And we also have the ability to build custom emails. So we can replicate the type of targeted spear phishing campaigns you might be experiencing using a very simple drag and drop tool. So we can make an email look like it's come from the CEO or from the head of HR and make the email a lot more targeted to invoke an emotional response like we often see attackers try and do. So we can drag and drop an image at the top, for example, and change the text. We also have complete freedom to decide where the email gets sent from. So we have this free form box here. We can go hr@yourcompany.com. And we can also set up the platform to automatically send training to those users who give away their password. So identifying the most at-risk users and then giving them the tools as soon as possible to make sure that they are a source of strength to the organization and know what to look out for with these type of emails. From a reporting perspective, it's very clear to identify how users have engaged. So we have a list of recipients here, and it will tell you whether they opened the email, clicked on the link, or gave away their password. So in this example, one user went all the way through and gave away their password. The other 3 users didn't open the email. And we get results broken down here by timeframes and by percentage rates as well. So a very easy way in a safe environment to identify the overall risk as a company, but also which users require more urgent attention with phishing education.